Manigi ng'ol mar wuoth e kaunti ma Kisumu oyudo yot e yoregi mag wuoth tok riwruok mar Hope Mobility Kenya donje ogirimiti mar tiyo kanyakla gi tend kaunti ma Kisumu e miyogi ndigni kod gik mamoko mag konyogi e wuoth kaka yor bero ngimagi. Chenro ma kamano geto mar duogo geno kod nyiso hera ne jogo manigi ng'ol e yor miyogi yot kaka ginyalo wuotho. Gavana ma Kisumu Nyong'o opuoyo okang' ma kamano kowacho ni biro kelo lokruok ma ochwere e ngima mar joma nigi ng'ol.
I'm a beneficiary of Mobility Hope wheelchairs, and I walk on crutches, but when I'm in the house, when I remove my calipers, these gadgets you see on my leg, I cannot walk on my own. I simply crawl. So with a wheelchair, it makes it easy. You move around with dignity.
These are wheelchairs that are likely to have mechanical issues. And so if you have a problem, if it's broken, we will be present to make sure that it's repaired. If the children outgrow it, we will be sure to make sure that it is replaced.
We distribute these wheelchairs today. Let us remember that this is just the beginning. We must continue to advocate for accessibility and inclusion in all aspects of life. Education, employment, healthcare, and beyond. That we in Kisumu must think very seriously. This year, not next year, to start a school where people who are otherwise able attend, not just the one we are talking about. One is not enough.